Next one. What is this? This is a pig. Which color you want the pig to be? I want to color it pink. Mixing some more colors, I want to make it pink here. With some yellow paint. Yes, why am I coloring it so colorful? You can color the animals many colors, it's fun. Because now you are coloring, so no problem at all. Now, I want my robot to color it and let's see what he does. Okay, see? That's nice. Now, let's learn the color pig. Now, kids, let's spell. So, how to spell a pig? P-I-G. Say with me, kids. P-I-G. A pig. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Well done, kids. Now you know how to spell a pig. Do you know? A pig is a farm animal and it makes the sound oink, oink. What sound do it make? It makes the sound oink, oink. Yes. What animal is this? This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Yes. So let's color the sheep. Now we will be coloring the word sheep. Okay, so we have colored a sheep. A sheep is a farm animal and it makes the sound ba ba. What sound it make? It makes the sound ba ba. And did you know that the sheep have wool in its body? So with this wool we have the sweaters. The sheep have wool on its body. And when we shave this wool from his body, we make the sweaters that keep us warm. Yes. So, how to spell a sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Again. Say, kids. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Once again. S-H-E-E-P. A sheep. Good job, kids. Next page. What is this? This is a cow. Now let's see what color my robot does to the cow. Okay, so what is this? This is a cow. C W. What is this? This is a cow. How to spell the cow? C-O-W, a cow. C-O-W, a cow. There are only 3 letters in this word. C-O-W. It's very easy. Say with me, kids. C-O-W, a cow. Okay, kids. Did you know? A cow is a farm animal and it makes the sound moo, moo. A cow says moo, moo. Yes. And did you know the cow gives us milk? Yes. And it also gives us many dairy products like cheese and many things. So, the cow is very important for us, and we also eat the beef. The beef comes from the cow. And did you know the leather jacket we wear? It's made from the skin of the cow. So the cow is a very useful animal to us. Let's move to the next number. 9. Number 9. What is this? This is a cat. Let's color the cat. He looks a bit like Doraemon, isn't he?
Sticker machine.
This is our sticker machine. We want some colors too.
Change my painting machine. New color.
I want some new colors. Okay, we've got red and then blue here and some yellow here. For his tail I'm using, I just want to make it colorful, kids, because coloring is fun. Yes, it is. Now I will leave it to the robot and see what color he makes. Let's use some pattern. Well, smileys we have used. And now some sticker time. A football, a sunflower, some goggles, a snail, pencil, or a birthday card. Okay, kids, I had fun coloring this cat, really. But we need to make some more colors and see.
Change mode painting machine.
Okay, kids, what animal is this? This is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. What animal is this? Cat. Say with me. C-A-T. How to spell it, kids? Do you know? This is your turn. That's right. C-A-T. Cat. Cat is a very cute animal. It likes to drink milk, and do you know, it is our pet. The first thing we know about cat is that it stays in our home with us, so it's a domestic animal. We love cat. Let's learn number 10. What animal is this? This is a monkey. This is a monkey. Oh, and one thing. What sound the cat makes? The cat makes a mew mew sound. Number 10. Number 10 we have the monkey. We are coloring the monkey brown with some green. Some red for his tail. We've got some red for his tail and some pink. Okay, so we have colored the monkey. The monkey says ooh ah ah. Okay? It's a very funny sound. You know that the monkey lives in the jungle and his favorite food is banana. Yes, and nuts too. He loves to eat banana. And the monkey is a very funny animal and intelligent too. So, how to spell the monkey? To spell the monkey, we say M-O-N-K-E-Y, a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now, let's say it like this. M-O-N, monk, K-E-Y, key, monkey. M-O-N, monk, K-E-Y, monkey. So, it's your turn, kids. Pronounce, say with the word. Say with the alphabet. Say M-O-N-K-E-Y. Say, kids. Okay, you got it right. M-O-N-K-E-Y. A monkey. Very nice. Now let's put some stickers. The monkey is smiling, so smile for him. A gift for him. A little bit flower. A hat on his head. And a bus. A van. Around. Some ice cream in his hand. I'm having so much fun.
Automatic painting. Change
I want to put some pattern.
painting machine.
Some rainbow on his belly. Wow, that's look very nice. Number 11. What dog? It's a dog. Yeah. What animal is this? It's a dog. Let's color the dog. Now my robot will be coloring. Like I told you, I will color half and my robot likes to color half. So we both are coloring for you. Now coloring the letters. Okay, so what animal is this? This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Did you know a dog is a domestic animal? That means it lives with us in our home and we love and care for it as our pet. A dog's like to eat bones and likes to play with soft things like cotton balls, like rubber balls, and many more. Okay, so now let's know how to spell the word dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G. There are 3 letters here. D-O-G. It's very easy. Say with me, kids. D-O-G. Dog. Now, it's your turn to say dog. Say? So, you are right. D-O-G. Dog. Number 12. So, this is a frog. F-R-O-G. I turned my robot on to color it for me. And let's see what color he do. Okay, now I like to put some pattern on it. Some rainbows on his face. So this is just fun. And now it's time to put some stickers. A basketball. Some birds. Some butterflies. Some games. Some food signs. Some grass here. Okay, and some cap here. Okay, so we had fun coloring with patterns, with lots of colors and putting lots of stickers. Yes, and now what animal is this? This is a frog. F-R-O-G. This is a frog. So how to spell frog? F-R-O-G. Say with me, kids. F-R-O-G. It's very easy. Now say like this. F-R-O, frog, G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G. It's a frog. Yes. Now it's your turn. Say. That's right, kids. F-R-O-G, frog. A frog makes a sound ribbit, ribbit. What sound it makes? Ribbit, ribbit. And it lives in the pond. Yes, and it likes to eat butterflies and bees. Okay, kids. I hope you had so much fun watching this video. Today we have learned the numbers, coloring with patterns, putting many stickers as well, and the name of the animals with how they sound and how to spell their name. Okay, so see you in my next videos. Till then, take care. Bye.